everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna zoom in the video, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the clip. And then in here, you just click on animation. And then you just click on in. Click on it, and in here you can click on a zoom in, this one. Click on it, and in here you can set the duration. You just swipe left or right like this, and then after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to zoom in on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.